Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi from clay step by step. Start by conditioning white clay until soft and pliable, then form small oval rice bases. Roll thin sheets of black clay for nori and shape tiny colored pieces for fillings. Use ball tools to add rice texture and press gently to attach components, then arrange pieces for baking and prepare for finishing touches after curing. Warm the clay between your hands, then roll uniform rice ovals that match the scale you want. Cut thin strips of black or dark green clay for nori and wrap them around rice or roll them for maki. Keep proportions consistent so pieces look cohesive, and use tiny bits of colored clay for fillings that peek through when sliced. Always test a sample before baking to ensure assembly holds. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing fun projects. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which helps keep studio floors tidy while you craft. I find voice commands handy when my hands are messy, and it saves cleanup time between bakes. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After assembling, refine shapes with a needle or brush to mimic rice grains and seaweed seams. Create micro-fillings like salmon or avocado with thin slices of colored clay and insert them slightly into rolls for depth. Follow the clay brand's baking guide closely and cool pieces completely on the baking tray to avoid warping. Once cooled, apply a gloss varnish selectively to give fish a natural sheen while keeping rice matte for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.